If you need to give anything.
Hello, SF2 TV. This is reporting from West Side Highway.
Free Tibet!
We rode all the way from Columbus Circle to through 7th Avenue till this battery park, and we met a lot of people on the way, and they cheered us up a lot, and they really support like Tibetan cause. So,
Free Tibet!
China lies, people die!
China lies, people die!
China lies, people die!
China lies, Free Tibet!
We want
Free Tibet!
one war, one death.
Free Tibet, no!
One war, one death.
Free Tibet, no!
Free Tibet.
Now.
Free Tibet now.
Guilty of genocide!
Guilty of genocide.
Stop the genocide in Tibet!
stop the genocide in Tibet.